Last week, Gemma 4 was released and it's very capable small model, so you can run it directly on your own device. And in this video, you will learn how to run Gemma locally and connect it with OpenClaw in 3 steps within a few minutes. Okay, so we'll have to follow all of these 3 steps step by step. And after end of this video, you can able to run OpenClaw with Gemma 4 completely in your PC. Okay, so at the beginning, we'll have to download Ollama. So that's why we'll take a new tab and simply go to Ollama. So search it, then go to ollama.com, and here you will have to download it. Ollama is actually a tool that run large language model efficiently on your local environment. So what you can do, you can simply click this download button to download it on your PC, or either you can just use this CLI command, then open your terminal, then paste it and press enter to download it. As I have already downloaded it on my PC, so that's why I will open it. For example, if I just go to the app section and search Ollama, then you can see Ollama is already installed in my machine. So if you installed Ollama successfully, then you will see this type of interface. After then, what you will have to do, after installing this, you need to download Gemma for model. Okay, so for downloading Gemma for model, you will go to the download sections, and here you will simply search Gemma 4. Okay, you can run it completely free because it's a open source model by Google, so you can easily just download and use it on your local environment. So here you will have this command to get everything, but we don't install everything. We need to choose a specific model based on our hardware. For example, here you can see we have all of this size. Based on your hardware, you can choose any of this size. The more size the model has, the more efficient the model are. So if you have a heavy computer, you can just go with 26B. This is actually a 18 GB file. And if you have a lower computer, you can just go with this Gemma for latest or Gemma for E2B efficiency to billion data. So you can go to this one or this one. So I think it will work for you. So how you can just get it on your PC. Okay, for example, if you need this, you can simply click here. Then look, you will have this command, CLI command. You will copy it, then open your terminal and paste it here. Okay, and then press enter. It will just pull the manifest and start downloading within a few seconds. Okay, so you will have to take some times to complete the whole process, but as I have already completed, I have a downloaded model that is actually this model. I have already installed this model on my local environment. Okay, so by following this command, you can just do it. You will have to just command it, copy it, and then command it here. Okay, then it will be automatically download on your local environment. After downloading this, if you go to Ollama, then in this model sections, you will find it. For example, here you can see, if you search, for example, here you can see, if you search Gemma, then you will see it's actually this is downloaded. If you need to download any model here, you can directly just click download button and it will be automatically download on your environment. Okay, so it is very easy. So as I have already downloaded it, Gemma 4 E4B, so now I can use it. For example, if I just chat with it, it can be doing something. For example, I can just say, hi, who are you? Okay, it's very prompt, very simple prompt. And if I press enter, then within a few seconds, it will just think what to reply. And after then, it will actually give you the reply. So you can just chat with it on your local environment. Even if you have don't internet connection, you can use it completely for free on your local environment. So no internet required, no cost. So it's completely free as Google provide it a open source model. Okay, so I think right now it's actually generating the results. You can see it's actually showing you the thinking process that can help you to understand what and which way it's actually replying. So it says that I am Gemma 4 and a large language model developed by Google DeepMind. It's actually correctly just giving you the proper reply. If you need any assist, you can just go with and chat with it completely for free. Okay, so this is actually not my goal. I have to just show you how to launch Ollama with a Gemma 4. Okay, so for third step, you will have to go to OpenClaw. So my main task is launch OpenClaw with Gemma 4. Okay, so this is my main goal. So for doing this, at the beginning, you will open a new tab and go to OpenClaw. Okay, so you will go to OpenClaw, then go here. At the beginning, you need to install it on your machine. If you are using macOS or Linux, you will have to copy this command. Or if you go with Windows, you will have these options. Okay, just click here. Then this is the command. You can use your PowerShell to execute this command. As I am using macOS and Linux, I have this command. I will simply copy it. Again, open the terminal, then paste it. Then press enter. Look, OpenClaw installer is here and it's automatically detect my OS. Then it's actually need Node.js, then npm versions, git. Okay, this is actually pre-required. If you don't install all of that, it will automatically install for you, so no worries about it. Okay, so it's actually, you can see, installing OpenClaw version 2026.4.8. Okay, after a few seconds you will have this prompt. What you will do, you will need to agree with it, so that's why you can use your left and right or arrow key, and then when it's yes, press enter. Then would you like to set up mode quick start or manual? We'll choose quick start. Then it's asked for a provider or model. Here I'm not sure Gemini Gemma 4 is available or not, so that's why what we can do, we can actually go to select Ollama and then click here. Then we can just go with cloud and local model, and we'll have to redirect to the ollama.com. Here you need to sign up if you don't have an account. I will go to continue with my Google accounts, then click this connect. It's connected right now, and after then you will back here. Would you sign in? Yes, signed in. And after here it's actually set default model. So by default it will take Kimi K2.5 model, but from here actually we will choose Gemma E4B model. Okay, so this is our specific model we need to choose set. That's why I will just press down arrow key, and when it's actually Gemma 4 it 4B model, then we'll press enter. Then it says select a quick start. So would you like to go work with any of these channel? For example, if you want to set up WhatsApp chatbot, then you will have to choose this one. Would you like to go with Discord? This one. You will have Slack, you will have Google Chat API and lots of stuff. And for this tutorial purpose, you can just go any of it, or you can simply skip. So for now actually I would like to go with Telegram bot API. Okay, it's very easy and recommended way to for the newcomers. And let me select this one and press enter. After then it says you will have to need to have a Telegram bot token. So from where you will get it, you will go to Telegram, and then here you will search this person bot father. Okay, and make sure that it's actually verified, check mark it, and then you will click this start. And here at the beginning you will have to get a new bot. So create a new bot, we'll have to / new bot. So choose this, and then you will have to choose a name of it. For example, Gemma for claw. Okay, something like this. And here we need to choose a username. You must have to use _bot or bot this way. So we can simply, for example, we can simply say Gemma for claw _bot cloud bot. Okay, something like this. I just rename it, and let me check it's available. Yes, it's available. You will have to copy this API token and back here. Yes, press enter, then paste your token, then press enter. Then it would you like to just search provider, and for this actually I can skip it for now. Okay, let me press enter. Then skill configurations we don't need right now, so that's why no. Then would you like to skip hooks? I can choose command logger, press space bar to select, and then press enter. And now here actually you can see checking gateway health, and then it will ask for would you like to use your board through web UI or uh, terminal UI. So here we would like to choose web UI, so that's why open web UI. This is already ready, you will have this interface, but right now we need to connect our apps with it, so that's why here you will have a link, just click here, then you will have to click start, and now we will have to command this, simply copy this command and say execute this command. And if I press enter, it will actually based on your command it will connect with telegram bot for you. Okay, and see it's actually executing, it's execute with this pairing command, and after its pair you will see it says successfully approved from telegram center and it was added. So after then actually you can chat from here, you can use this bot from your mobile phone, your any device. Okay, so simply say hi, then look, it's actually working, it's typing reply for you, and see it's actually replying. Okay, and what time is it? Okay, look, it's working perfectly, and right now we can use your bot from anywhere. And I hope if this video helpful for you, then please leave a comment for me and share my videos, and your support is very important to me.